So this gate here was not latching and the locking mechanism wasn't working. Now, move this up out of the way. From what I could tell, there was, let's see, this little metal latch right here. And let me move this back and forth. You'll see it move when I make adjustments here. It's swinging back and forth. So the only conclusion I can come to is that over time that's gotten pushed down. But I took a screwdriver and stuck it up here in contact with it, and then I hit it with a hammer a few times and bent it upwards. And now the dang thing works. So I can lock it. Nothing happens. Unlock it. It'll do glass and gate. So just to clarify, this metal tab right there, that moves back and forth. Just get a screwdriver up on it. Right like that. Pound it a few times and bend that tab backwards. Should fix it.